Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating and honestly, a highly urgent topic we've been digging into. Basically, what exactly are we supposed to do with all the perfectly good computers that Microsoft is about to, well, just leave behind? It's a massive question, right? But the solution we're uncovering today isn't just practical, it's incredibly exciting. We're going to look at how a system called Zorin OS 18 is stepping up to literally save your hardware. Okay, let's dive into this. October 14th, 2025. That is a date every single PC user needs to have circled on their calendar. According to Microsoft's own support lifecycle, after this date, the clock runs out. There will be absolutely no more free security updates and no more routine technical assistance for Windows 10 Home and Pro editions. If you are connected to the internet after this date, your machine becomes increasingly exposed to unpatched vulnerabilities. It's a real problem. And to put that into perspective, industry analysts project that an estimated 240 million perfectly functional PCs will be stranded by this deadline. 240 million. Why? Well, because Windows 11 has these strict hardware requirements, things like TPM 2.0 and specific newer CPUs that older machines simply do not meet. This creates a massive ticking clock for millions of users worldwide who are suddenly staring down the barrel of their perfectly good hardware becoming e-waste. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The Windows 10 deadline, 2. Getting a familiar desktop experience, 3. How to keep running your favorite apps, 4. Reviving that older hardware, and 5. A completely safe migration plan. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the Windows 10 deadline, or as it's becoming known, the impending hardware crisis. We're looking at a situation where everyday computers are being artificially rendered obsolete simply because they can't run the absolute newest software version. Think about it. Right now, you've probably got a great functional PC, but then you hit that October 2025 cliff where Windows 10 updates just stop. Well, by switching to Zorin OS 18, which is built on an exceptionally stable Ubuntu 24.04 LTS base, you completely bypass that 2025 deadline. Zorin gives you a secure, actively supported operating system through at least April 2029. You're instantly buying your hardware nearly 4 more years of safe, productive life. Moving right along to Section 2, a familiar desktop experience. This is all about lowering the cognitive switching cost. And this brilliantly illustrates our point. If you're sitting there thinking, oh man, Linux is going to be way too hard or weird to learn, let's bust that myth right now. Zorin 18 is built specifically to preserve your muscle memory as a former Windows user. You get a pre-built Windows-like start menu. You've got Snap-like drag-to-tile window management that feels exactly like Windows 11 Snap Assist. Plus, OneDrive integration is baked directly into the file manager, no opening a browser to find your cloud docs. There's even a built-in web apps utility that turns Office 365 and Teams into first-class desktop apps. The whole design philosophy here is about ensuring an incredibly low cognitive switching cost. The familiar interface massively lowers the friction when you first use it. Basically, you can migrate your PC, boot it up, and get straight back to work immediately. No textbooks required, no relearning how to just use a computer. Okay, Section 3, running your favorite apps. Let's bridge that software gap. Look, I get it. We have to talk about the biggest fear most users have when migrating, losing those essential Windows applications. But there's a massively reassuring proof point here. Over 170 common Windows installers are instantly detected by Zorin 18's built-in migration assistant. Instead of spitting out a confusing error when you double-click them, it intelligently tells you exactly how to run them, whether that means pointing you to a native Linux alternative, a web app, or helping you run it directly. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how Zorin handles programs that don't have a direct alternative. It uses this fascinating tool called bottles. Think of a bottle as a separate, isolated Windows environment, like a tiny, dedicated container for a specific app. It quietly works in the background, handling all the DXX translation and compatibility stuff, and you never even have to open a command terminal. The sources are crystal clear on this. You can run standard.exe programs like Rufus or Internet Download Manager natively. Out of the box, there is absolutely no need for deep, nerdy system knowledge here. You literally just double-click your Windows installer, Bottles sets up the internal framework and handles the whole shebang smoothly behind the scenes. It's almost indistinguishable from using Windows. Next up, Section 4, reviving older hardware, breathing life into aging PCs. Let's tackle the myth that modern, capable operating systems have to slow down older computers. When you compare Zorin directly to Windows 11, it is incredibly revealing. First off, privacy.
Zorin OS has zero default background data tracking, which is a big contrast to the telemetry collection in Windows 11. Then let's talk cost. The standard Zorin Core Edition is 100% free, and even their Premium Pro version is a one-time purchase of around $39. Compare that to $139 or more for a Windows license. And hardware demands? Windows 11 strictly enforces TPM 2.0, but Zorin is designed explicitly to revive your legacy hardware.
Actually, if your hardware is really old, the newly released Zorin OS Lite 18.1 edition is a game changer. It uses a highly efficient, lightweight desktop environment called XFCE, meaning it requires just 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Testers ran this on a 15-year-old's Core 2 Duo laptop, and you know what? Everyday tasks and even 1080p YouTube playback were incredibly fast and responsive on a 15-year-old machine.
But I want to be super clear here. Lightweight does not mean outdated. Under the hood, Zorin 18 packs modern, cutting-edge software. It's built on the modern Linux kernel 6.14. That means excellent out-of-the-box compatibility for your Wi-Fi chips and graphics cards. It defaults to Pipewire, giving you flawless Bluetooth audio, and it even includes enhancements for newer hardware, like AMD Ryzen AI and crypto performance boosts. Everything you plug in is just designed to work.
Finally, we reach Section 5, a safe migration plan. Trying this out without actually committing.
Let's move to and see how this builds a completely risk-free way to try Zorin OS 18 today. It starts with downloading a file and putting it on a USB drive. But Step 3 is the absolute magic step, the live session. You plug the USB into your PC, reboot, and you can try the entire Zorin operating system without actually installing anything. You test your Wi-Fi, open some apps, browse the web, all without altering a single file on your hard drive. And then if you love it, you move to Step 4 and install it alongside Windows in a dual boot setup.
And a dual boot setup is amazingly convenient. When you turn on your computer, you literally just pick whether you want Windows or Zorin for that session. But here's a crazy cool detail. While Windows hides Zorin's files, Zorin actually reads your Windows C drive natively. That means you can be working inside Zorin, open up your file manager, and instantly drag and drop files right off your old Windows desktop. It's seamless.
But wait, what if you try it, you install it, and it's just not for you? It's a totally valid fear. Well, the source material makes it super clear. Rolling back to your standard Windows setup is entirely safe. You just boot into Windows Recovery, type a single command to restore the Windows bootloader, and then delete the Zorin partition in Disk Management. Your original Windows files are never damaged. You're completely safe.
So the crucial point is that Zorin OS 18 isn't just some nerdy hobbyist tool. It is a highly practical, incredibly polished escape hatch for millions of everyday users. It's literally built from the ground up to keep older PCs secure, productive, and most importantly, out of the landfill. Which leaves us with this final, somewhat empowering question to think about. When October 2025 rolls around, are you going to accept the massive cost of replacing your perfectly good PC? Or will you just take a few minutes to replace your operating system? The choice is entirely yours, for sure. But as we've seen today, the tools to take control of your hardware have literally never been better. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this sparks your curiosity to go check out Zorin OS 18.